In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use snapping in Blender for precise object placement. Snapping is one of those simple tools that instantly makes your modeling cleaner and faster. It helps your objects lock onto exact points, edges, faces, or the grid, so you don't have to eyeball alignment. To make this clear, let's start by giving ourselves something to work with. Press Shift plus A, go to Mesh, and choose Cube. This adds a basic object to the scene, which is perfect for demonstrating how snapping behaves as we move it around. Next, let's turn on snapping. Look at the top of the 3D viewport and click the magnet icon. When it's highlighted, snapping is active. If you prefer shortcuts, Shift plus Tab is a quick toggle to turn snapping on or off without taking your eyes off the scene. You'll use this a lot as you work, so that toggle is a great habit to build. Right next to the magnet is where you choose what the object should snap to. Blender gives you several modes, each useful in different situations. Vertex snaps to the corners of geometry, great for lining up precise points. Edge snaps along the edges of objects, while Edge Center aims for the middle of an edge. Edge Perpendicular helps you align movements perfectly perpendicular to an edge. Face snaps to the surfaces of objects, useful when you want something to sit flush. Volume can help you snap relative to the body of an object. And Increment snaps to the grid, which is perfect for consistent spacing and clean modular layouts. With a mode selected, try moving the cube. Press G to grab and move it, and as you slide it around, you'll see it snap to the targets defined by your selected mode, such as vertices or grid points. If it doesn't seem to latch on, double check that the magnet is enabled and that you've picked the right snapping mode for what you're trying to hit. Zooming in a bit can also make snapping behavior easier to see. There's also a handy temporary option. Even if snapping is turned off, you can hold Control while moving, rotating, or scaling to enable snapping just for that action. Release Control and you're back to normal. This is perfect when you only need occasional precision without leaving snapping on all the time. That's the core workflow. Add an object, enable snapping, choose a mode, move with intention, and use Control for quick temporary snaps. With a little practice, you'll place objects accurately and confidently every time.